What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and it's been a while since we've done a cool truck so that's what we're doing for you. Today we got Recon, which if you don't know, we actually just got these up on the website. We haven't had these pre-built lights for a very, very long time. We always had options to do custom lighting, but now if you want to just pick up a set that's plug and play, ready to go, you can do so. So basically what I'm just going over is, I guess, how simple it is to get these things installed. This is our new Power Stroke, which I don't know when this video is going up, but we're going to Daytona with it in like 2 weeks, and the axles are on the ground and the truck all ripped apart, and I don't know if we're gonna make it, but I can at least get these taillights going. So we're gonna install these and show you just how simple it is. So Recon, like I kind of mentioned before, essentially they sell all like pre-built stuff. It's not custom headlights or taillights, but they do have headlights, taillights, third brake lights, mirror lights. We got a whole bunch of their stuff for this truck, so we'll kind of show you all the different products that we're using from Recon on here. And then, yeah, we'll just jump into it. So this is obviously a stock taillight. It's pretty boring. It's very red. And one of the easiest ways to change up the look of your truck, other than wheels, tires, and suspension, is to change out the lighting. Especially if you have like a work truck package and you want something a little more fancy looking, you can get some sort of LED lighting. Recon offers a lot of different options. So we're using their smoke taillights on the Power Stroke, as well as their mirror lights and third brake lights. So on the back of these, all of the hard stuff is already done. It's pretty much plug and play. One thing that you'll notice is, so there's essentially 3 connectors off the back here. So we're gonna go ahead and start plugging these in. And what you'll quickly realize, obviously the short one goes to the top where it was short and would not be able to reach if you went to the bottom. Long one goes on the bottom. These are really simple, plug and play, bottom one in, and then you go to put the top one in. Works best if you have another hand to hold on to this for you. But that's that. And then now you see this little one, which is just, has 3 wires going to it. And you look at this and it's really big and you get super confused because you're like, that doesn't go together. This is gonna be the little pro tip for you. On the back side of your OEM light, you're going to see this piece. So this has the bulb in it. You're gonna pop that bulb out. The piece from the taillight actually goes into where your socket for the bulb was. And now, I should probably put this in the right way first. And now you can connect this green piece. And essentially you're in. So you tuck all the wires back. And I know this is specific obviously to the Power Stroke, but in general, this concept is the same for all of them. So line up the pins, put it in. Somewhere on your vehicle, you're gonna have bolts. On the Power Stroke, it's right here. 2 of them secure them in there, and then your taillight's gonna be in place. I'm gonna hope that this stays and doesn't fall out while I walk away and turn the lights on. So it's really just as simple as that. Plug it in, turn the lights on, everything functions correctly. Obviously you hit the brakes come on, turn signals, all that. So we'll get you a couple shots of all the different lighting installed on here, but that's essentially it as far as the Cool Truck Shit episode goes. It's really super, super easy to install these. Like I said, headlights, taillights, third brake lights, mirror lights. They've got a whole bunch of stuff and we have it all on the website, customoffsets.com if you want to check it out. That's it. Peace.